Hi there, how are you? So today's video is about hair fall problem after delivery. So hair fall after delivery is completely natural, but there is a myth about hair fall after delivery, which is hair fall after delivery cannot be controlled. But this myth is totally wrong. Yes, here is a huge difference between regular hair fall and hair fall after delivery, but in next 5 minutes I will explain you the whole process of hair fall after delivery and the solution, of course. So before I start the session of solution, it's important to talk about the problem, how problem occurs. Hair fall after delivery is not because of blah 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 reason, but it is because of only and only weakness. You cannot imagine how much weak is your body is now, and how much a big major changes have done with your body, and your body has gone through a major period. So it's important to understand that thing, why this problem has happened. So guys, no matter how branded oil and shampoo you are using for your hair fall, but doesn't matter, it will not going to work. On whatever home remedy you are using, doesn't matter, anything will work if only you will focus on your inner side. Yes, this is the key. Yes, this is the only solution to look and to give focus and to give attention to your inner, not only towards to your hair but all over your body. So it might be take huge time, but believe me guys, it will definitely cure your all the problem of your body. So now I'm gonna share the list of solution for hair fall problem, and also for to recover all of your body. So here the first point is, which is you should have to continue your iron and calcium tablet after your delivery at least till 8 months, or if you do, you can do for 1 year also. And if you having any protein powder which is recommended from your doctor, you should have to continue that protein powder, of course, for at least 8 months or 1 year. It will give a huge benefit to you. And the second point is, at least for 8 months guys, at least for 8 months, eat only and only healthy food, like ghee, like milk, like protein, like veggies, like all fruits, and whatever your mom is feeding, eat happily, because this is not only important for your body, but it's most important for your newborn baby. And the third point is, you have to give challenge to yourself that you should have to drink 2 liter water every day. And lastly, I will suggest all of you ladies, that is, if you really want to stop your hair fall and if you want to cure the weak problem of your body, you should have to live happy. So live happy. This time is really precious, and this time will never going to come again. So live this time happily and full enjoy this time. So yes, yes guys, there is no particular remedy for hair fall after delivery. This is the only because of your weakness. And still, if you want to know any home remedy, but any home remedy will work if you will look after from your inner side. If you have intake of iron, protein, vitamin, and all of the nutritions, then only any home remedy or any branded oil or any shampoo will work on you. Even if you will go any doctor, they will also suggest that you should have to increase your iron and protein contact in your diet. This iron and protein is really important nowadays for your body. So increase your iron and protein intake, and this will really help to stop your hair fall and all the kind of weakness which is happening to your body. So yes, do all these things. And if you want to know any home remedies, so go and check my description box, and also you can check the I button upside. So I have given the link about home remedies, and I have lots of video. I've already made a lot of video on hair care, so you can go and watch it also if you're really worried about it. And if you also want to know how to lose weight after delivery, you can also watch that video. I've already made it. And also, if you have any other queries, then you can ask me in the comment box, or also you can mail me. So yeah, this is it for this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.